We're at the Fall Ancaster 2016, October 30th. And what do we come across? I think this is a 61 Comet. 60 or 61. Maybe 62. Anyway, I thought this was another Comet, because I have pictures of an exact duplicate 4-door black with hubcaps, but it's not. It's actually a different Comet. I mean, these two are so close to being the same, unless he changed his hubcaps and interior and placement of a mirror. I have pictures of a duplicate 4-door black Comet that looks exactly like this. Either way, this is really cool. I'd say there's not many of them around, but I got pictures of an exact duplicate of it. Either way, I really like it. Anyway, October 30th, 2016, Ancaster Fall Swap Meet. Very nice. Love the Comets.